Okay, here we have the 1960s Cragstands talking robot assembled. In the back you have your on-off lever. In the bottom you have your holder for the one D cell, like so. Has a flywheel friction drive motor, so you would coast it. Free swinging arms. And then the 4 phrases, which happen randomly.
I am the atomic-powered robot. Please give my best wishes to everybody.
And you just never know what's going to come up. Could be the same one again, could be different.
I am bulletproof too. I am the atomic-powered robot. Please give my... I'm leaving now to explore the outer limits, boys. Goodbye. See you again.
Well, we've found 3 of them so far.
I'm leaving now to explore the... I am the atomic power... I'm leaving now to... I am the atomic-powered robot. Please give my best wishes to everybody.
You could poke the button all day. You just never know if you're going to hit them because they just randomly cut up where the needle starts at the beginning of the record. But that's basically the toy.